Shriya the Cotton House. I'm Aishwarya. So in this video we will be showing you all muslin silk items. It's a very pretty and a very elegant item. So if you like to book any of the item, you can directly log into our website, which is www.shriyatheCottonhouse.com, or else you can take a screenshot of the item and WhatsApp us at 9176641794. So now let me show you the items one by one. This is the first item. It's a kind of a greyish blue color top with an all over digital prints, and it comes with a navy blue color cotton bottom and a silk dupatta. A different color this is. It's a fully printed muslin silk top. This is a beautiful color. See, a full top you will be getting a greyish blue kind of top with an all over prints. And this is the back portion. You will be getting a print on the back side also. So this is how the top looks. A simple fancy buttons on the yoke portion you will be getting, and also foil mirrors. This is the top, and it comes with the sequence work soft cotton dupatta. This is the dupatta. So you will be getting a complete sequence work all over the dupatta and a gota patti lace work on the edges. So this is how the set looks. A beautiful color combination. This is greyish blue with a navy blue color dupatta and a navy blue color cotton silk bottom. This is the bottom. So this is the overall view. So this set is priced at 1350 with free shipping. So in this we have got one more color. So that's peach with pink. So this is the next color you will be getting, a beautiful peachish pink with a red color bottom and dupatta. So you will be getting a fancy buttons and the gota patti work on the yoke portion. This is the top, a beautiful color. This is very soft and comfortable fabric. This is, you could see the feel. See, very soft and comfortable fabric. You will not be getting any wrinkles or it will not shrink at all. So will be very comfortable to wear, and it comes with a dark red color soft cotton bottom with the sequence work. So this is the dupatta. You will be getting a complete sequence work. All these are sequence work and a dark red color bottom, cotton silk bottom. This is. So this is the overall view. So this set is also priced at 1350 with free shipping. This is the next item. It's a beautiful peach color top with a fancy button on the yoke portion, and it comes with the dark orange color dupatta and bottom. So the top is a muslin silk top. So this is how the top looks. So fully printed muslin silk top. You will be getting a prints all over the top, and it comes with the dual shaded soft cotton dupatta with the sequence work. So this is the dupatta. So you will be getting orange in the upper portion and pink in the lower portion. The fully sequence worked dupatta this is, and it comes with a dark orange color cotton silk bottom. So this is how the whole set looks. A beautiful peachish pink with orange color dupatta and an orange color bottom. So this is also priced at 1350 with free shipping. So in this we have got 3 more colors. This is the first color. So the next one is beautiful yellow color, yellow with golden brown combination. This is the top you will be getting, and this is the bottom and dupatta. Beautiful color combination this is. So this is the yoke portion, a beautifully hand worked yoke portion this is. You will be getting a mirror work and also fancy button on the yoke portion. The nice light yellow color this is. You will be getting a print all over, and this is the back portion. Very soft and comfortable fabric this is, and it comes with a dark golden brown color dual shaded dupatta. You will be getting a brown color in the upper portion and yellow in the lower portion. See, a beautiful set this is. Nice color combination, and it comes with a dark brown color cotton silk bottom. So this is the overall view. So this set is also priced at 1350 with free shipping. So the next is light green with dark green combination. This is the top color you will be getting, and this is the bottom and dupatta. So all the yoke portions will be same. You will be getting a mirror work and also the fancy button. this is how the top looks, a fully printed top, and it comes with a dual shaded dupatta. Dark green color in the upper portion and the light green in the lower portion. See? So this is the whole view. You will be getting dark green in the upper portion and the light green in the lower portion. And the dark green color cotton silk bottom. So this is how the set looks. You will be getting a complete sequence work on the dupatta. So all these are sequence work. So this is the overall view. So this set is also priced at 1350 with free shipping. The next is a muslin color. It's a light green color top with a golden yellow color dupatta and bottom. So this print looks very pretty. So this is the yoke portion. You will be getting a simple gotapatti lace work and also fancy buttons. So this is the top, a fully printed top. So this is how the print looks. And it comes with the dual shaded soft cotton dupatta with the sequence work. So you'll be getting a mustard yellow color in the upper portion and light green in the lower portion. So this is the overall view. This comes with the mustard yellow color cotton silk bottom. This is the bottom. So this set is also priced at 1350 with free shipping. So in this also we have got one more color. It's a beautiful pink color. So this is the top you will be getting. This is the top and a bluish green color bottom and dupatta. A beautiful color combination this is also. So this is the yoke portion. A beautiful prints. The complete top has a prints. It comes with a beautiful dual shaded dupatta. You will be getting pink in the upper portion. Sorry, greenish blue in the upper portion and pink in the lower portion. See? And a greenish blue color cotton silk bottom. This is the overall view. So this is also priced at 1350 with free shipping. So next is a pink color with maroon color combination. This is the top you will be getting, a pink color top with a dark maroon color dupatta and bottom. So this is the top portion. You will be getting a simple buttons on the gotapatti work. A light baby pink color this is, and it comes with a dual shaded dupatta. This is the dupatta. You will be getting a maroon color in the upper portion and pink in the lower portion. So it has got a complete sequence work. See, all these are complete sequence work you will be getting. And a dark maroon color cotton silk bottom. This is the bottom. A beautiful color combination, baby pink with a maroon color combination. So this set is also priced at 1350 with free shipping. So in this design we have got one more color. So it's a green, light green color top with a dark green color dupatta and bottom. This is the top. So yoke portion will be same for all the items. Just the prints alone will vary. So this is the dupatta, fully sequence work, soft cotton dupatta. You will be getting dark green in the upper portion and light green in the lower portion, and a dark green color cotton silk bottom. So this is how the overall set looks. So this set is also priced at 1350 with free shipping. So all the items which I have shown you till now are all priced at 1350. And this is the next item. It's priced at 1450. It's a grey color top. We'll be getting a chiffon dupatta and a fully printed muslin silk bottom. So this set is priced at 1450. This is the top you will be getting. You will be getting a beautiful pretty buttons on the yoke portion. It's a dark grey color top. You will be getting prints all over the top. See, a fully printed top this is. And it comes with a plain chiffon dupatta, pure chiffon dupatta this is. See, a plain chiffon dupatta. You will be getting a borders on the edges and a fully printed muslin silk bottom. So this is the bottom. A fully printed muslin silk bottom this is. So this set is priced at 1450 with free shipping. The items which I have shown you before are all priced at 1350 and this item is priced at 1450 with free shipping. So in this design we have got one more color. So this is the next color. It's a beautiful onion pink color top with a plain chiffon dupatta and a printed muslin silk bottom. Beautiful color this is. So this is the top, a fully printed top. The color looks too good. And it comes with the plain chiffon dupatta. It's a plain chiffon dupatta this is. And a fully printed muslin silk bottom. So this is the bottom, a fully printed muslin silk bottom. This is, you will be getting a beautiful prints all over the bottom. So this is how the overall set looks. So this set is priced at 1450 with free shipping. So all the items which I have shown you today are all muslin silk item with soft cotton dupatta, and this set is with chiffon dupatta. So all these items are available in our website. So if you like to book any of the item, you can directly log into our website, which is www.shriyadakotnos.com, or else you can take a screenshot of the item and WhatsApp us at 91766411794. So I'll meet you all tomorrow with the new set of collections. Until then, stay tuned with us. Bye bye.